You are not making money from Expertnaire because you think affiliate marketing is a scam. You are not making money from affiliate marketing because nobody told you this. Affiliate marketing is real, and this is just a proof. Look at my account here. It says all-time sales. All-time sales. You have successfully made 6 sales. 6 sales. Now, what this 6 sales translate to in naira figure is 163,499 naira 50 kobo. And this now translates to the total earnings I've made on affiliate marketing with Expertnaire. And this is just the amount I'm expecting come this week, Friday, 43,499.50 kobo. Affiliate marketing is real. Affiliate marketing is something that everyone should be involved because it is just a way of helping people who have value products, digital products, and the likes to get those information across to a buyer, a potential buyer. It is common sense for you to leverage on the effort of others. There is no need for you to reinvent the wheel. Someone have made a product, all you just need to do is to sell the product. It's not even selling the product this time around. Just promote the product. Let whoever is interested in that product just get it and make payment. Then you get your own fair commission. That is what affiliate marketing is all about. And now the most interesting part is this. Now I'm going to show you something which is very funny. Now come here, come and look at this. You see this product marketplace, this is where we get our product. Now if I click here, it will tell you now that my registration has just expired. Yeah, you can see renew your subscription. My registration has expired. Okay, in spite my registration being expired, come and look at this. Look at my dashboard. I am still expecting a payout because I am still selling. So Expertnaire is not cheating anyone. Even after my subscription has expired, which I'm going to renew, I am still having the sales coming in through the advert I've made over time. Affiliate marketing is real. So if you want to join affiliate marketing and you want to really take this business serious, I'm going to guide you on everything you need to know and how you can position yourself strategically. Position yourself strategically and make massive, crazy sales from affiliate marketing. I've not been taking it serious before because of some reasons and some distractions here and there. But even if someone like me who didn't take it serious can still make up to 160,000 from it, come on, you can do more than that. So go to the comment section of this video or simply copy the number on the screen of this video: 090 20 22 22 23, 090 20 22 22 23. That is how you can reach out to me. So just reach out to me that you want to learn affiliate marketing. I'm going to put you through. There is a training, there is a course material you are going to purchase first thing first, because I'm not going to take my time training you from the scratch. Okay, there's an information you are going to get which we put you through. Then my own is just mentorship. Okay, after you have completed the training, that's the training material which I'm going to give to you, which you are going to buy. So don't think it's going to be free. Nothing is free in Freetown. Even the food in Freetown is not free. Okay? It's just for a token to show your commitment and seriousness. I'm not here to exploit you. I'm here to see to your success in affiliate marketing and the lessons I've learned over time which you should not which are mistakes you should not make. Okay, so learn from my lesson, learn from the lesson of other mentors in the field. So I'm going to give you that guideline and I'm going to explain to you how this money is coming. I don't even know where people are making this payment from. I don't know the place where they saw the advert and they clicked. But what I just know is that Expertnaire just informed me that I've made sales. I made a sale yesterday and I was just surprised about 30,000 naira worth of commission. I made another sale this morning and I'm just waking up, you see. So affiliate marketing is real. Guys, don't dull yourself on this. Just plug yourself into it and there are a whole lot of things you are going to learn which will help you in your journey in affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you are interested, please reach out to me on my number in the screen or in that I've mentioned earlier, 09020222223. Cheers in advance to your success in affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.